Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I want to thank the Vanilla King Company for sending me these vanilla beans. And I'm going to use them 3 different ways, but today in this particular video, I'm going to make some vanilla extract. So the vanilla beans come with their recipe. It's very simple to follow. It comes with a sticker to put on your bottle. And a cute little tag. So we're going to make some vanilla extract. And I know you'll love it. I hope you will follow this recipe. So let's get started. So what I like to do, I make vanilla extract in larger quantities. You can use the vodka of your choice. You can use rum, whatever you choose. This particular bottle, I'll probably put 25, 30 beans in it. I have a good many in it now, but all you do is just simply pour off some of the vodka, and you'll want to cut open your vanilla bean. Oh, these smell so good. And you'll see the seed inside. And this is what makes the vanilla extract taste so good. I love Madagascar. They are my favorite vanilla beans. So you just simply put the vanilla bean in, put the top back on, and like I say, just however you choose to make it in smaller quantities or a larger bottle like this, I just give it a good shake. And then we want to put the label on it, our date and such. And what I do is I have some already made. This is probably a month to 2 months old. So what I do is I go and shake it every week, give it a good shake, and I'll probably have it on the shelf for probably 6 months or so. And it is just outstanding vanilla extract. I hope that you'll give the Vanilla Bean Kings a try and make your own vanilla extract. It is so good, and I know you'll love it. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.